Just take a deep breath. And as you breathe in, just release your grounding cords into the center of the earth. Easy and effortless. Just release your grounding cords into the center of the earth as you breathe in and breathe out. And on your next life breath, just breathe in as you open the crown of your head. And as you breathe out, connect to source, whatever that is for you. However you connect to source is perfect. And you're just going to take one deep life breath. And as you breathe in, all of the energy that's no longer serving you, just gather that all up. And as you exhale, just send it right down your grounding cord, giving it love and gratitude for bringing you here today. And on your next life breath, as you breathe in all the love and light from source, giving it love and gratitude. And then exhaling, sending it through every cell in your body. Just ask your intuition to come out with you, however they appear. It could be a feeling, it could be a knowing, you could see your intuition or you can hear your intuition. And now what I'd like you to do, easily and effortlessly, is looking through your own eyes. Seeing your own eyes, seeing everything through your own eyes. Take yourself to the end picture of what it looks like, sounds like, and feels like that you've hit your goal. Take yourself there. Looking through your own eyes, seeing that computer screen, that stage, that dollar amount, that receipt, whatever it is, looking through your own eyes, you can see it. Now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to make that picture bigger and brighter. The colors are so crisp. They are so clear. It's a panoramic picture. It's super focused. Maybe it's a little bit of a movie. Maybe you see yourself jumping up and down, cheering. Maybe you see yourself walking onto the stage through your own eyes. Maybe you see yourself looking at the audience clapping or seeing your finger hit that enter button. It could be a little movie, but it is the best, most amazing picture ever. Again, looking through your own eyes. Now let's enhance the sounds. The sounds are going to be the perfect volume, the perfect tone. Do you want a loud cheer as you walk on stage? Do you want to hear yourself say, yes, I hit my goal. Yes, look at that dollar amount. Look at those 12 blog posts. Look at that beautiful landing page. What do you want to be hearing? Are there people with you celebrating with you? Make those, the tone, the cadence, the volume perfect. You're still in your body when this is happening. And now we're going to enhance the emotions. So take that amazing feeling that you have in your body and enhance it. Make that excitement just give you the whatever emotion and feeling that you want, whatever kinesthetics come from you. Can you feel yourself holding the microphone? Are you feeling your fingers on the keys? Are you doing tactile kinesthetic? Enhance the emotion inside, the swell of love in your heart for sharing your genius, the swell of excitement in your belly, this whatever emotion. You might even be tearing up a little bit because you're so excited that you've hit this goal. Whatever emotions, positive emotions are coming up, enhance them. Now, if there's any smells or tastes that are important, enhance those as well. Anything at all to get all of your senses involved with the most amazing feeling, auditory and visual of you hitting your goal. This is what your unconscious mind is going to go get. It can see it, it can hear it, it can feel it. If there's any taste or smells important, it can do that too. So now what I'd like you to do easily and effortlessly is step out of the picture. Step out of your body. Come back and see it. Maybe you're floating above the picture. Maybe you're stepping outside. Maybe you're in the corner up on the ceiling. But you're looking down and seeing your full body in the picture. You can see everything. You're like in a movie theater and you're seeing the movie of you hitting this goal in front of you. Your intuition is with you. You're looking down and you are so excited for what you're looking at. You see the whole computer, you see the whole stage, you see everything. But you see your whole body inside of that picture, inside of that mini movie. I want you to reach out and now pick up that picture. So now it's to pick up the movie screen, pick up the picture, and you're holding it between two fingers. Your intuition's with you. And now I want you just to locate your timeline. Just float above now. Your timeline comes easy and effortless to you. Just float up above now. You could look down and see yourself exactly where you're doing, where you are right now as you're listening to this meditation. And then I want you to look out into the future. Wherever your future is perfect. It could be in front of you, to the right or the left, up or down, behind you, wherever your future is. Look out into the future and find that date. Find the date that this is all going to happen. Is it a week from now, 5 days from now, 3 months from now, 6 months from now? Just see that date. And easily and effortlessly float out to that date. However that date is represented to you is perfect. It could be in a line, it could be like a calendar, it could be a number floating. Whatever that date looks like, float right out to there. Now, before we insert our picture or our movie into that timeline, we want to breathe life into it. We want to bring Source's love and light, your energy, your life breath into this image. So we're going to do 4 life breaths together, one right after the other. And we're going to breathe life, love, and gratitude into that picture before we put it in your timeline. So I'll count it out all 4 at a time. And breathe in. And hold, giving that love and light from Source. And breathe out into the picture. And hold. And breathe in more love and light and gratitude from Source, from your own life breath, and hold. And exhale right into your picture. And hold. One more time, or another time, breathe in. And hold. And exhale. Seeing, feeling, hearing that Source love and light, that life breath from you going into that picture. And hold. Breathing life into it. And the last time, breathe in. And hold. And release. And hold. And now, place that picture, drop that picture right into your timeline. And it snaps right into that date. And you notice as you look down you're noticing how God and the universe and source energy is realigning everything from then all the way back to now. So as you're floating back to now, you're noticing how everything is changing. The important things are changing in order to make alignment for you to hit that goal. The inspired action steps are starting to come up. You're starting to feel what it feels like to do the things necessary to hit that goal. You're excited about doing them. You're feeling the positive anticipation. There's nothing negative attached. You're noticing as you float back to now, whether it be a few days, a few months, a few weeks, you come all the way back to now. And just stay above now with your intuition, looking back out into the future and noticing the difference now that that goal is in your future. And ask your unconscious mind, ask your intuition, what is one thing that you deserve to know about yourself that you didn't know until now, or you weren't able to hear until now, that's going to support you in hitting this goal? What's one thing your intuition wants you to know about yourself around the goal you just put in your future? And now that you have that learning, you can float back down into now, into the room. And know that that goal is in your future. And the inspired action steps that are going to come to you, things that you might have thought you needed to do but weren't sure, they're now going to be easy and effortless. New things are going to come to you. Things you had never even thought of are going to come to you. Things that you used to not want to do, now you're going to be inspired to do, because the universe has lined everything up for you to hit your goal. So as you come back into the room, you can open your eyes. You can go back and talk to your intuition anytime that you want.